All right. Hello, everyone. Okay, I think we are online. So, welcome to my trading views, trade analysis for week 14. And also, coincidentally, this should be the last live, streaming, because for trading view, they're actually moving away to some other thing, which I'm not so sure what is it about. But yeah, nevertheless, this will be the last what you call that, live streaming for now. And then moving on, what I will do is actually I will capture the analysis chart by chart, or maybe I will do a 10 to 15 minutes analysis. I'll sum them up in in the chart itself, and then post it up on TradingView, because I can share on that later on. Okay, so without further ado, let's continue on with the content wise that I'll be covering. Okay, so the first one, of course, is, as you can see, the disclaimer. Yep, everything covered here is just purely on my own analysis and understanding of the forex market. So if, let's say, you want to go on, execute some of the trade, do your due diligence, and then yep, that there's manage your own risk. Okay, so content wise, the same review of last week, what trade I have done or what I've analyzed, and then the calendar check, after which I will actually continue with the plan for the coming week. Okay, so maybe you can just cover the calendar check first. Okay, so for calendar, going to hold position, then probably you want to take note of this. For Singapore wise, it's at midnight, 12 a.m. Okay, so if you're holding trade overnight, then keep a lookout of this speech. Okay, so that's for Thursday morning, Thursday early morning, Thursday midnight of Singapore time. Then this is the first week of the. Moving to the next week is the first week of the month. So we do have the non-farm payroll. Okay, so non-farm payroll on the Friday itself. Okay, so that's all from the news. Okay, and then I think if you notice this, for the European side, there's actually this daylight saving time shift. Okay, so for the trading folks in Singapore, in Asia, GMT plus 9 and all that, probably you need to shift your London open to an hour earlier. Okay, so instead of 4 p.m. become 3 p.m., etc. Okay, so that's for the calendar, and also the heads up on the daylight saving time. Okay, so that is that, and moving on to the chart itself. Okay, so I think I haven't put up the training ideas. Later on, I will just put it up. My thoughts on the analysis. My thoughts of the market for the coming week and all that. Okay, so moving on. What I would like to actually cover is that for the last week, actually, I did mention that I am actually bullish of the USD, and last week was personally for me, it's a quite a slow week, for especially for the USD. Okay, it didn't really move that much. Yeah, just by looking at the candle, it did pull back on Monday, and then it didn't go up too much, or too it didn't go down too much as well. Okay, so the volatility is not there, but nevertheless, we for me, my case, I don't just focus on the majors, but I do look at crosses. Like, for example, I have actually did a trade, because I did mention, I think towards the end of last week's analysis, I did mention about the Swiss franc crosses. So Swiss franc wise, I was looking at the crosses and all that, and I was saying that euro, Swiss franc, pound Swiss franc, and I think also the Swiss franc. You can take a look at their what you call that, the yeah, play along with the uptrend. Okay, so yep, I was actually looking at Aussie's Swiss franc. Okay, so Aussie Swiss franc, yeah, just let me mark it out easier. So this is the whole of last week. I mean, moving on from last Friday, not yes. I mean, not this Friday, but the 22nd March. Yep, you do see that there's a, yeah, head and shoulder over here, though this is a standard. Yeah, so I did put up a long over here. I think it was like, yeah, before I went to sleep. So here was my entry for the long, and then yeah, this was the move that I was able to capture. So that is on the Aussie's Swiss franc. So that is a long on that. Then I also took a long on the euro yen. So euro yen, I'm not sure if I did mention or I did mention about it in the yeah, I think I did mention on the trading ideas. So I'm still looking for long on euro yen, but for this it didn't really play out because the thing is that I think I took on the yeah, on this candle. Okay, so to me this is still an uptrend. It's still healthy. There isn't much of a too deep a pullback for of concern, and also yeah, it was actually supported over here as the demand zone, or something like that. Okay, so that is the yeah, the support that I saw, that is on the euro yen. Then I think I took a long here. Yeah, took a long somewhere here. I think yeah, over here, and they just yeah, went down after which. Okay, so this was a yeah, this was the one. Okay, so this was the breakout that I took over here. Okay, okay. So anyway, it didn't play out, and after that, euro has been quite weak for the whole of the week. So that is that. I just leave it to that. There wasn't any um what you call that, pullback entries for me to go on long, because it seems like there's some changes, especially after this break from this consolidation. It went down, and then this break was also the second one. Okay, then I think I move on to look at the USD, yeah, USD majors. Okay, one of them is actually the New Zealand dollar, USD. So this was I'm looking at a short over here. So this was the, yeah, I think I took a shot over here, which it didn't really play out. I think it was like, yeah, it just hit my stop loss one pip, or two pip. Then after which it just went down. But anyway, this was I mean, I didn't put a big position here, or my normal position here, because the fact that it has been quite yeah, it has been having this extended downwards move for quite some time, and then the setup wasn't a setup that I usually enter. Okay, I mean, not my those A setup, or A structure that I like to see. Okay, so this is one of them, and also conversely, also did a long on the dollar sync on the same day itself. Okay, so for that New Zealand dollar, New Zealand USD, actually I took a short for this. Actually, I took a long over here, somewhere here, on the breakout. I think, yeah, on the Tuesday. I think was here, Tuesday or Wednesday. I think it was Wednesday. Yeah. Anyway, I took a long over here, and then I took some out from here. After which it just came down back, and then I think it was just a break even for the rest of the position. Okay, so that was the long that I took. I think yeah, Wednesday. So New Zealand dollar is also Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday, sorry. Yeah, Wednesday. Okay, so this was the Wednesday trade that I took. And then lastly I also took a, oh yeah, after which I took a Thursday short on this euro pound. Did I mention about it? I don't think I did. Yeah. Anyway, it is pretty obvious what it is about. I mean, it is trading in this range for God knows how long. I mean, for like few months. So okay, 2 months. Okay, two to 3 months. How many days it is? Yeah, this was the range. So it is like 40 days. Okay, one month and 1.5 months. 45 days. Okay, so 1.5 months it has been ding donging over here for 1.5 months. So this was the consolidation that I saw. And then consolidation, I mean, I am not the market maker. I don't know where they want to push the market. It's either going up or going down. But if you can see over here, there's a strong rejection. Then this is likely a telltale sign, telling you that there are, yeah, there's the seller that's stepping in to actually bring down the price. Okay, so after the consolidation there was a breakout over here, so that's where I went in to go for a short over here. Okay, maybe I just put a different color over here. Yeah, yellow, whatever. Okay, so this is the, yep, this was the fake breakout, or whatever you call that. Then after which it consolidated again. So if you were to short, and yeah, you might need to hold for quite some time, depending on your stop loss, of course, and your RR, R to R. Okay, then yeah, so this was where I shorted. And then I think I took the profit. Yeah, I took the whole thing before it going into the Friday. Okay, reason being, of course, is I don't want to hold the position on Friday, because Friday most of the market are closed, and broker wise they are also not say they are closed, but yeah, you don't know what funny thing they want to do with your position on the holiday. So yeah, just take out the position from there on. Okay, so this is the last trade that I took for last week. And then okay, so move on to the chart itself for this week, or the analysis. So USD, I don't see anything, or I don't see any price action that is bearish or whatnot, or signifying a reversal. So I do think that the USD could be testing this high at 105. I think, yeah, 105. If let's say it is going to, okay, here is a minor what you call that, over here. If it were to clear this level, okay, if it were to clear this area, right, then probably it will go up here further. Okay, so here's just a small liquidity area. So over here, then the next one likely could be in this area. Okay, maybe this zone. Okay, so over here. Okay, so this will be the next one that it will be targeting if this were to clear again. Okay, so it might take a while, or it might, depending on the market mood of the market. So yeah, it depends. So okay, so anyway, my bias is for it to go up. Okay, in general. So yep, of course, after that, during the course of the week, do keep in mind, do keep an open mind that things might change as well. So there's that. And then for Euro USD, of course, I'm looking for it to go down further. Okay, so here is a level to clear. After it clear, then right now is the pullback. Then we can take a look at the lower time frame and see, yep, how we can actually carry out some shorting from here on. Okay, so here's the one. Here should be another want to short. Then for this pound dollar, it is, yep, just watch for pullback to the resistance or whatnot for you to go on short. Oh my god, what is this? Okay, so that is for the, give me 1 minute, for the pound dollar as well. So it's ranging. So yeah, wait for the pullback to here or somewhere. Okay, that is for the majors. And then I'm also looking at this pound New Zealand. Okay, so pound New Zealand, I mean, if the New Zealand dollar still remains weak and the pound is relatively strong compared to, the other currency, this level, okay, I think we just stick to the H4. Maybe it's easier and less so, we call that, less so tail and those noises. Okay, so this is the support that I'm looking at for it to hold. Of course, I don't know if it's gonna hold. If it's gonna hold, then it will, uh, yeah, I will buy the upside. But if not, then probably it will break this uptrend. Okay, so this is the uptrend over here. Okay, so this is the one. So this was the what you call that, triangle. Oh yeah, I think I did took a long over here as well. I mean, too long for this pound New Zealand, but yeah. Anyway, yeah, this was the breakout, and then it pulled back after which. Okay, so yep, this is for the pound New Zealand. Now, right now, it's a pullback, and if it didn't pull back significantly too much, then probably we are looking to go along for this pound New Zealand. Okay, seems likewise for this pound yen. Okay, but pound yen wise, yeah, wait for this consolidation to play out. Yep. So let's look at how this consolidation will play out over here. Okay, right now it's consolidating, so it's either a upside move or it's gonna be a breakdown further. Okay, so if the yen is going to be strong and pound weakens, then yeah, of course it's going to come down. Okay, so that's the pound yen. Then I am also looking at this euro cat. Okay, so euro cat, as you can see on the higher time frame, it has been in a range. Then over here, this is also a range that it is yeah, trading on, kind of. Okay, kind of trading on in the range, but this is not like the type of A setup that I like, but the fact that it has break. Okay, it has break out from here. Okay, break from this consolidation. I'm waiting for it to pull out. Yeah, I mean, retrace higher or whatnot, then I will go on short for this. Okay, so this is still within the playing of this range. So probably we'll be targeting here the low of the range, or maybe it will even reach to this level. Okay, so yep, so this is the range that you are looking at. It might hold here, or it might target here, or it might even target lower, or it might just collapse from there. Okay, so for me the bias is on the downside, so watch for pullback or whatnot over here. Okay, then yeah, for pound cat also the same. Yeah, also looking for more downside to come. Okay, so that's for pound cat and euro cat. And then I think I also wanted to like mention about this okay, this one is more like the same thing. I'm bullish USD, so I'm looking to go on long for this yep, for this dollar sink. Okay, so likewise for this, okay, so if the Swiss franc is weakening for next week, then probably it will have a breakout. That will be. I mean, I will, yeah, probably choose cat cat's Swiss franc for a long. Okay, if the Swiss franc is going to be weak, but then if let's say it is going to be strong, and yeah, I mean, if it's going to strengthen, then I don't think I will come and look at this cat Swiss franc. Rather, I might look at something else, maybe Aussie dollar Swiss franc, or let's say New Zealand dollar Swiss franc. Okay, so these are the weaker weaker currency as compared to the CAD Swiss franc. Okay, I mean compared to the CAD Canadian dollar. Okay, so these are the analysis that I have for this week. And yep, for next week moving onwards, I will be yeah putting out my analysis part by part, or maybe just to sum it out. But it won't be in the live stream. Okay, so yeah, thanks for the view, and yep, if you do like, follow me, and yep, I will have all this analysis up in the week to come as well. Okay.